So hi guys, my name is Raza Mehndi from BN College of Engineering and Technology from Lucknow. Today I'm discussing about Boston House Prediction project. This video is made by Raza Mehndi as a part of the assignment of machine learning using Python course from Skyfi Labs. The machine learning using Python which online course tutorials from Skyfi Labs was used to complete this project. So first of all, we import some important libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib for drawing plots. Also, we used sklearn libraries for importing our data sets, mean squared error libraries, and min max scalar libraries. After that, we have to perform five steps to complete this project. First of all, the first step is data processing. Then we define the error. After that, we will divide the our data set into two parts. First is used for training the data, and the other part will be used for testing the data. Then we train our model, and then we will predict our model. So we will start from the step number one, data processing. So for data processing, we have to load the data, and for loading the data, we use load Boston function. Then we can use the description. Description provides the all the information about our data set. We can use features.head to print top five functions, top five values from our data set. We can use features.describe to get all details about our data set, like what is the mean, what is the standard deviation, and what are the 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 70 percentile, minimum values, maximum values. Everything we can find using describe function. We can also find of a particular target, a particular column, minimum, maximum, and we can analyze them too. We will concat two columns into a single data variables. Also, and then we will perform some correlation. Correlation always found between every column on the data. It will provide which data will be affected in our output, which can be very helpful for training the data. Then we are zipping our list like features and other. We can zip them and correlated them. While we perform correlation, we found that LSTAT and RM are the most effective data types which will affect our output. So we perform there some more analysis on LSTAT and RM, and we then normalize them using min max scalar. uh, we normalize the data so that we can find the maximum accuracy. We perform to find error. We define we some functions like error, update, gradient descent. We also we divide our data set into two parts. One is train, second is test. We use test size equals to 0.2. It means our test data set is selected randomly 20%. After that, we perform some gradient descent functions to train and test our data. After testing, we get some results if we need the straight line, if we get good accuracy. But we saw our data set has a little curve. Then we fixed it, and then we predict the data. But prediction is provided in a normalized form, so we have to normalize it then again. For that, we again unzip them using -1 comma 1 reshape. Then we perform again prediction, and here's our output. Thank you.